Dumbbell triceps kickbacks are actually pretty dope for training the triceps in their shortened position. And yes, the whole goddamn stretch mediated and lengthened bias bandwagon has been already debunked by the modern research. Science-based gurus like Kashish and Kanwar tend to apply the dead guy anatomy to exercises like the dumbbell tricep kickback. Now look at the first image that represents the concentric phase of the lift. Here the shoulder movement arm is quite large while the elbow movement arm is smaller. That's why science-based nerds love to hate this movement. In the second image representing the eccentric phase, when the triceps are lengthened, the elbow movement arm is practically zero. But there is still a significant movement arm acting on the shoulder. And once again the so-called experts trash this goddamn frickin' movement, saying that this exercise does not load the goddamn lengthened position. Then comes the third image. This part of the movement is basically a loaded elbow flexion, which does involve the biceps to some extent. But here's the thing, folks. Every goddamn lad who performs the dumbbell kickbacks in my frickin' gym consistently has got solid frickin' results. I personally programmed it for 3 frickin' months and got skin bursting juicy pumps in my triceps. This means that the goddamn movement clearly frickin' works for hypertrophy. However, there is one frickin' issue with this goddamn exercise. To stabilize shoulder extension, you need to retract your scapula and keep it locked in one frickin' place, which gets kinda annoying and even can be counterproductive for long-term shoulder health. Free movement of the scapula is super freaking necessary, so while performing this movement, do not over retract. Keep your scapula loose, neutral, and let it move freely. To wrap it up, every freaking exercise is great for hypertrophy if you understand it and execute it right. I hope this message sinks in, and until then, peace out.
देखिए, एक तो बेसिक ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए, महाकाल का दबाकर लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए, 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए। ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ, पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा। ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा। लाइक ठोकी दबा के, लाइक ठोकिए। यहाँ पे देखिए, ऐसा क्वेश्चन चुटकी बजाते